Hey, yo, what's good with y'all, family, man? Your Brody Dez back with another one, man. I really didn't want to come on this video long at all. I really just wanted to come and ask a question, some advice, really. If y'all been following my journey, y'all know I'm in the process of actually being accepted into a radiologic technology program. But my thing is, I actually want to get some experience in healthcare just in general. So I'm trying to figure out what direction should I take in regard to securing my first actual job in healthcare. Like, what should I get into? Like, should I go into phlebotomy? Should I become a transport agent or aide? Should I become a CNA, which is something that I'm not opposed to, but really not in the plan. I know the process for becoming the CNA may take a little longer, but yeah, like, where should I start at, bro? Like, I'm very ignorant when it comes to starter jobs or entry-level jobs when it comes to healthcare. Like I said, I just want to get my feet wet, something light, something that don't take as long. I'm really trying to get a second job anyway, but yeah, bro, could y'all share some advice to me? Anything, whoever's in healthcare, who got to start in healthcare, wherever you started at, man, please comment down in the comment section below where you got to start at. Any type of advice you can share to me will be greatly appreciated. I promise, dog, like, cause I'm lost, and yeah, I just really want to figure this thing out. So y'all tune in to this video, and also, you know, this video could potentially help others out too as well, who are looking to get into the healthcare field in general. So, man, make sure y'all comment down below if y'all have anything for me, anything for the world to know. You know what I mean? Because we trying to figure it out. So, yeah, man, comment down below what you guys think. Anything, bro. Any advice is worth having. You know what I'm saying? So, tune in. And like I said, I thank y'all for everything y'all do, all the support that y'all give me. And yeah, I'll tap in with y'all later on. Peace.